It's time to get an upgrade for my pots and pans, and this set actually caught my eye in Costco, which was on offer around £125. Contains 11 pieces, 7 pots and 4 lids, made by Henckels. Can be used on all sorts of cookers, ovens, it's dishwasher safe and you can use metal utensils. Made out of stainless steel with a non-stick ceramic coating. Comes in securely packed. This is all what you get. Now do read the instruction manual, as this cookware does get hot quickly. This also comes with a warranty, so do make sure you register your product. Let's take a closer look of what you get. This is the 20cm pan. £26cm pan with a lid. The bigger it gets, the heavier it gets too. 30cm. £1.2 litre pot with a lid. £2.9 litres pot with a lid. Biggest of them all, the 5.5 litre cooking pot, which also comes with a lid. A beautiful stainless steel and ceramic mesh design. Now these two lids actually fits on these two cooking pots. For the rest they have their own except for one pan. Cooking eggs without any oil on medium gas heat. Let's see how the non-stick copes. After 2 minutes, I believe it's cooked really well without heavily sticking on the pan. If there's any bits remaining, they can easily slide off with a spatula. Minor scrub and clean and you're ready to go again. Let's try with oil. A tablespoon of olive oil. And we'll cook an omelette. I personally like to place the lid on top for it to cook quickly. Look at that guys, it clearly slides off. It is scratch resistant, so you can use any metal utensils. Out with the old and in with the new. Happy cooking guys, peace.